Hello everyone, this is Aditya. How are you? And I hope you are guys are good. Today is an interesting video, so let's get started. Realme P3 series. If we discuss about the performance, this is the top 3 and the top 4 ratio is there. Really, welcome to the performance. This is really very good. Inbox they are providing TPU case, 80 watts charging USB Type A to Type C. This is coming with 6000 mAh battery and 7.32 mm thickness is there. Weight 183 grams. Come to the price ranges of P3 Ultra is 25,000 is there, and while coming to the P3 it's 20,000 below is there. So this is the price range. Now come to the display. 6.83 inches 1.5K 120 Hz AMOLED display is there. In P3 6.67 inches is there, and while coming to the ratio Hertz, it's nearly 120 Hz but full HD display only. Bezels are keen in P3 Ultra. While coming to the only P3 phone, it's average bezels. P3 Ultra, it's a micro quad curved display. Brightness 1200 nits peak brightness. Now coming to the phone, it's really very smooth. Either the touch ratio or when you're scrolling, it's really smooth and cool. MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultra. This is the first processor which was launched. AnTuTu score 1.4, 1.5 million is there in the P3 Ultra. In P3 Snapdragon 6th Gen 4. AnTuTu score 7.6 lakhs is there. LPDD R4X RAM type and UFS 4.0 storage type. Vapor cooling chamber system is there. It doesn't increase 45 degrees more. It is up to the mark of 40 degrees only. Gameplay 60 FPS and 90 FPS up to the mark is support is there. Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15. 2 years major update and 3 years security updates. Now while coming to the AI features are there. Sketch to image, Android and AI summary. These all things are there and very interesting, and it's quite good really. Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, connectivity Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4. Now while coming to the sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor and face lock. Now come to the phone of the colors which shows you on the display is really very good. While colors are very good, and coming to the audio side is really quite good and decent. 50 MP primary camera and 8 MP ultra wide camera. Both the phone 60 MP selfie camera is there. One thing I forget you to tell one thing is IR blaster is there in this phone. Video recording 4K 60 FPS IP69 certified. In this phone everything looks good, and while coming to the all the sides of the sensors and as well as coming to the display side and coming to the audio side and colors capturing in the camera side is really all the things are good. If you ask me personally, one thing better you choose P3 Ultra while compared to P3. Better, it's somewhat better. It's my opinion, it's my choice. If you like, your wish. From my side, better to choose P3 Ultra. And this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please do subscribe and support us. Thank you so much for watching my videos, friends. Bye bye friends. Jai Hind. Take care.